we're going to have a class public. We're going to take string industry. Then we have public string public string. Now I have taken a class with three variables: industry, rating, and ownership. Now I am taking public void call me. Whenever you say call me, it is checking if industry equal to energy, if industry equal to energy, rating equal to warm, rating equal to warm, ownership equal to else, rating equal to hot, ownership equal to okay. This is the class what I have. So whenever we say call me, what it is going to do? It is going to check the current value of industry. If the industry value equal to energy, then the rating equal to warm and the ownership equal to public. If industry value is not equal to energy, rating equal to hot and ownership equal to private. This is the class what I have, and I want to test this class. So how to write a test class for this? We are going to define. All the test classes are going to be at the rate of we are taking at the rate of this test static void. Now, what is the class we want to test it? Test example equal to. Now, in this class, I want to test whether this method is working properly or not. If I want to run this method, what is the value I have to check first? Set the value of industry. As we need to give the value of industry. Where is that value of industry? 3 dot. I have taken industry equal energy. If you take industry equal energy, then call. What is the expected output? Whenever industry equal energy, rating should be warm, ownership should be public. Then check it out. If this method is working properly, asset equals to wow dot equals to d dot this is okay. Whenever we call me, whenever you say call me with industry equal to energy, then rating should be warm and ownership should be public. I am checking how many condition? Only if condition I am checking. If condition is true, what is happening? This is happening. I am checking only if condition. If condition is true, what is happening? This is happening. Now is it happening or not? I verified. Did I check the else condition? If I give other than energy, what are the values expected? Are you checking? No. So then what happens? When you run this test class, look at the code coverage. Only 77%. What is that? It is saying, boss, you covered only this area, else area is not covered. So you need to verify whether else part is working properly or not. So if there is a if condition, else condition, you have to write one test coverage for if, one more condition for else. You need to check both the cases. Now this is the if case. Then I am doing here t dot industry equal to. If I take t dot industry equal to banking, again I call t dot. Now if I give industry equal to banking, again I am rerunning it. Now what is the value we are expected? What is the value? System dot asset equals or other one is if it is other than energy, rating should be hot and ownership should be public. So what is this? This is to check else part. This is to check if part. If there is a if else, if part should be verified and separate case should be written for checking else part. Then only you get the complete code coverage. Run it. Go to the class. Check the code coverage. Was that rating equal odd? I give industry equal to banking. What is the condition I give? Industry equal to energy. Save it. Run it. Check the code coverage. Still is not covered. Word is not covered. Let me give you any spelling mistakes. Capital, small. Right. T dot for me. Fine. Let me take it out. And code T2 dot. Industry indication. Then I told T2 dot call me rating ownership. Let me check out rating. Now sometimes it will not be refreshed. You have made it, but the things are not refreshed. You saved it. Sometimes the code it will take the time to refresh. Then rating equal to what and ownership equal to private. Check the code coverage. Still the same bug. Fine. Let me check out what is the issue. Then go to the class. How do you check it now? Go to the develop Apex classes. Test example. Next example. 7 points are covered, 2 points are not covered. Maybe any spaces I have given here. Or private. Okay. Let me run again. Go to the class. Example list 2. Run the test. There is a failure. What is failed? Let us see. Asset equals something has failed. Let me check what is the fail. Assertion failed, line number 8. The assertion failed. What is that failed? Line number 8. I told you there is some case sensitiveness which I have forgot. Line number 8. Asset equals wow. Right. The problem is W capital. Thank you. W capital, I give small. That's what is the bug. So I told you it's a case sensitiveness. What is the coverage we got here? What was the bug here? I give capital, but I verified with the small. There is a reason asset failed. Comparison failed. Both the values are not equal. Comparison failed. I hope you are clear. So let us go to the next example.